Good day, esteemed panel members, colleagues, and guests. It is our pleasure to present an initiative entitled Excellent Accounting, Empowering Digital Accounting Skills Through Datacamp-Based Learning. This project is an instructional innovation designed to bridge the gap between traditional accounting pedagogy and the digital competencies required by today's industry. Our team comprises 4 dedicated academics from the Faculty of Business and Accountancy, University Polytech Malaysia, Juan Rosna, Sarah Artika, Anna Salwa, and Muhammad. Together, we aim to nurture a generation of accounting graduates who are not merely bookkeepers, but digitally fluent professionals capable of using data-driven tools to solve complex financial problems. Our starting point was a simple but critical question. Are our students truly ready for the digital accounting workplace? Through classroom observation and feedback, we discovered several recurring issues. First, students possess only a basic understanding of Microsoft Excel, often limited to data entry or simple formulas. Second, traditional teaching methods remain largely manual and theoretical, offering little exposure to automation or analytics. Third, there is a lack of real-world digital tool engagement, leaving students unfamiliar with data platforms that dominate contemporary accounting practice. And finally, as a consequence of these limitations, many students lack confidence when applying digital tools in professional contexts. To address these issues, we introduced Datacamp, an international, interactive learning platform, as an integrated part of our accounting curriculum. The first element of our solution is to use Datacamp's Excel modules, which provide self-paced, hands-on exercises. Students learn through guided challenges that replicate real-world accounting tasks. Second, we incorporated Data Lab, a dynamic workspace within Datacamp that supports automation and analytics. Through features such as AutoCode and templates, students can process and analyze financial data efficiently while immediately seeing the outcome of their work. Third, guided projects allow students to apply these skills to realistic case studies, while the portfolio builder enables them to showcase their competencies to potential employers. And lastly, by including graph and dashboard development through Data Lab, students experience firsthand how digital reporting supports managerial decision-making in the modern accounting environment. This slide illustrates the Datacamp interface, a user-friendly, web-based ecosystem that supports every stage of learning. The Home section provides an overview of a student's profile, assignment progress, and certification milestones. The Learn tab hosts interactive modules where students develop technical knowledge directly in their browsers. Within Data Lab, they explore practical applications such as coding, data analysis, and visualization. The certification feature offers access to industry-recognized exams and career pathways, and groups allow lecturers to manage assignments, monitor progress, and evaluate skill mastery. The overarching goal of this environment is to provide structured, scaffolded learning in Excel and accounting analytics, effectively turning theory into measurable skill. The template Datacamp component was designed to guide students in producing authentic accounting outputs. Within this environment, learners can choose from a set of templates for various accounting functions, such as preparing financial statements, profit and loss analyses, budget reports, and accountant summaries. Students populate these templates with real case study data, apply formulas and formatting using Excel's analytical functions, and finally export their completed work as digital portfolio artifacts. This approach ensures that every student leaves the course with tangible, job-ready evidence of their capability in digital accounting tasks. The next feature, Data Lab Graph, enhances data visualization literacy, a crucial skill for financial analysts and management accountants. Here, students prepare datasets for analysis, create professional quality visualizations, and perform statistical analyses directly within the platform. They can annotate graphs, compare results, and export visuals for inclusion in their reports. More importantly, this environment reinforces hands-on learning, allowing students to simulate real-world financial analysis and interpret visual data trends with confidence. The ultimate goal is to cultivate the habit of making data-driven decisions, a hallmark of digital accounting excellence. Data Lab Data Code introduces students to the intersection of accounting and programming, an area increasingly relevant in data analytics and auditing. Using an AI-assisted coding interface, Data Lab automatically generates runnable code in Python or SQL. Students can view, edit, and execute this code to process financial data from sources such as CSV files, Google Sheets, or BigQuery databases. This component demystifies automation by letting students witness how raw accounting data can be transformed into structured insights through minimal coding. It also supports computational thinking, preparing them to collaborate effectively with data analysts and finance technologists in future workplaces. Finally, Data Lab Report brings all learning outcomes together into a single, integrated reporting platform. Students generate live, updating digital accounting reports, enabling real-time collaboration and efficient workflows. With one-click sharing, teams can co-edit and polish professional presentations that combine narrative, data, and visualization. The environment fosters transparency, trust, and teamwork, qualities essential for accounting practitioners. It also encourages students to articulate analytical stories, explaining not only what the numbers show, but also why they matter. The goal is to help learners produce clear, accurate, and visually appealing digital accounting reports, suitable for managerial decision-making and external presentation. In conclusion, Lent accounting represents a step forward in integrating digital tools into accounting education. By embedding Datacamp's Excel and Data Lab platforms into our curriculum, we empower students to move from passive learners to active digital creators. They graduate not only with theoretical understanding, but also with demonstrable skills in automation, visualization, and analytical reporting, competencies demanded by the evolving financial landscape. We believe this initiative aligns with the nation's digital education agenda and supports Malaysia's aspiration to produce future-ready graduates who thrive in the age of digital transformation. Thank you.